Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, the place where tech becomes simple and powerful. In today's video, we are diving into Fortra Automate, the ultimate tool for streamlining your repetitive IT and business processes without writing a single line of code. So whether you're an IT pro, a business analyst, or just tired of doing the same tasks over and over again, this software can be a game changer. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Fortra Automate. On the top corner, you have an option to contact the support team, check the pricing, and of course, start a free trial absolutely at no cost. All I have to do is provide all the information needed and then click the start a free trial. Now, one of the sales professional will contact you if your free trial access has been approved. All right, so there's no guarantee. But the good thing about it is if you're not comfortable providing online and you don't want to give out any details at all, don't worry, we got you. We can learn so much about Fortra Automate by just going to the main website. But again, I wanted to make sure that we understand the pricing costs because it's not publicly available. So it's part of the request demo when trying to create your account here. So you might want to make sure you provide all the information needed so that they can offer a tailored fit solution to your business needs. Right? And then click the get pricing. We're going back to the main homepage because on the top right corner, these are going to be some of the sections we can explore to get more info about Fortra, the products, solutions, use cases, resources. All right, so we're going to go to the products. Now, we're going to deal with the Automate Desktop first. Essentially, this is going to be a section where you can target individual users or small teams because it gives you a no-code automation tool designed for desktop environments. You can drag and drop task builder. You have an access to over 600 and then, of course, it runs on a single machine, which is non-server based, which is kind of great for business users who need to automate personal or department level tasks without programming skills. All right. Now, the next product that we're going to look into is the Automate Plus. Now, the Automate Plus is really good for mid-sized businesses or teams that need to coordinate tasks across multiple teams. It's going to be a centralized platform with workflow orchestration and user management. Because here, you can have a client-server architecture, workflow creation and job scheduling, centralized logging and auditing, and of course, scalable across multiple machines and users, which is kind of great for organizations that require automation across multiple machines and want centralized management. Now, the next product that we're going to look into is the Ultimate, which is, I believe, is really great for large enterprises with complex automation needs. All right, so it's going to be an enterprise version of Automate Plus with unlimited scalability and additional features. So you can have everything in Automate Plus, unlimited bots, agents and workflows, REST API, support for integrations, and of course, it's kind of useful for organizations that require automation across multiple machines and want centralized management. And last product that we're going to look into is the Automate Intelligent Capture. So, in any business who need extract data from documents intelligently, this is going to be the right platform for you because it has a document and data capture solution that uses AI and OCR, or optical character recognition. So you have intelligent data extraction from scanned documents like PDFs, images, AI-driven document classification, seamless integration with Automate workflows, reducing manual data entry and error. So it's kind of good for automating document-centric processes like invoice processing, form handling, and data entry. Now we're going to look into the solutions, which I like is about the robotic process automation, which is going to be the RPA. So it automates repetitive rule-based tasks that humans do on computers. So for example, it mimics users' actions like clicks, copy pasting or moving files. It runs scheduled or triggered workflows without human intervention, which is ideal for data entry, report generation, application integration, and a lot more. So, for example, it can automatically log into a web portal, download a report, and saving it to a shared folder. And one of the good thing about is the intelligent document processing, or IDP. So it extracts, classifies, and processes data from unstructured or semi-structured documents. It uses, again, an OCR, or optical character recognition, AI and machine learning, converts scanned PDFs, emails, invoices, or forms into structured usable data, improving accuracy over time with learning algorithms. For example, it's good for reading scanned invoices and extracting key fields like invoice, number, date, amount for use in financial systems. And of course, last is going to be the business process automation, or BPA. Now, it streamlines end-to-end business processes by automating workflows across departments and systems. So it helps in orchestrating multiple tasks and systems, including both automated and manual steps. For example, it has a broader than RPA because BPA handles the entire business workflows, not just desktop actions. It automates a purchase approval process from request submission to manager approval to order creation in an ERP system. All right. And again, if you wanted to learn about the use cases for Fortra Automate, these are going to be them. You have automated data extraction, web browser automation, Excel automation, user provisioning, and GUI automation. And if you wanted to know more about the Fortra without going too much on the free trial, I suggest you go to the resources. You have all of these. So we're going to click the view all resources. You have the blog, which gives you all of these few minute reads of your time. For example, the automation solutions published around April 4th. Advice from real users. Not only that, you also have an option for the Automate Academy. So if you go here, you're going to be having an access to the Automate Academy from Fortra. All right. Now, it's kind of like you have categories here, so you can learn from courses and learning plans, which is kind of ideal because you have an e-learning. All I have to do is register, provide some information, and of course, you would be able to access all of these absolutely free. All right. Now, with that being said, that wraps up our walkthrough of Fortra Automate. It's definitely a powerful tool when it comes to streamlining repetitive tasks, boosting productivity, and integrating workflows without heavy coding. So whether you're an IT, finance, or operations, it's built to scale with your automation needs. So if you're serious about automation and want a robust platform that can handle both simple and complex workflows, Fortra Automate is absolutely worth considering. Thank you so much for your time, and see you in the next video.